Street vendors are an important segment of the informal economy in cities. Street vending provides a source of self-employment which helps in elevating urban poverty. Street vending is prominent in the urban supply chain and provides inexpensive and convenient access to goods and services to all segments of the population, including the poor. Street vending is therefore an integral part of the economic growth process in urban areas. The Support to Urban Street Vendors Program, SUSV, of Telangana attempts to address the concerns of urban street vendors. SUSV facilitates access to suitable spaces for vending, institutional credit, improved skills, and social security linkages. Mission for Elimination of Poverty in Municipal Areas, MEPMA, the nodal agency for implementation of poverty elevation programs, facilitates the grassroots level implementation of NULM SUSV operational guidelines. Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, the data of 80,000 street vendors was collected through manual survey in a web portal and was developed by Center for Good Governance, Hyderabad, from April 2014 to 2019 in 141 ULBs of Telangana state. Due to COVID-19 global pandemic, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Government of India has launched PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme on 2nd June 2020 for providing special credit to street vendors. This special credit is consequent to lockdowns which have adversely impacted the livelihoods of street vendors and to resume their business. The scheme is eligible to all the street vendors engaged in street vending activity in the urban areas of the Telangana state on or before March 24, 2020. In this background, MEPMA has decided to take up Telangana Pattana Pragati Urban Street Vendor Survey by using innovative e-governance solution, web and mobile application for capturing street vendors in Telangana afresh. The mobile app is developed within 7 days' time with all approvals and certifications and is user-friendly to enumerate the street vendors. The mobile application registers the street vendors, captures the real-time data, photographs the street vendor and business units and the place of business and generate street vendor identification card and vending certificate online. Reports on vending type, geographical area, etc. are generated for its analysis by MEPMA and other stakeholders. This innovative e-governance solution is designed and developed by Center for Good Governance, Hyderabad, which is pioneer in providing e-governance and m-governance solutions on latest technology platforms for the Government of India and various states in the country. The major benefit of using the innovative Telangana Pattana Pragati Urban Street Vendor Survey through mobile application is a force multiplier, as there is an approximate 600% increase in the registration of street vendors after 11th June 2020 in just 3 months' time. The registration through mobile application is quite speedy, convenient, error-free and efficient. Prior to COVID-19, there were 83,266 registered street vendors in the state, and now there are a total number of 5,87,499 street vendors registered in the Telangana state. Out of the total registered street vendors in Telangana state, approximately 4,28,241 loan applications are uploaded on PM Swanidhi portal and approximate 3,05,217 loans worth Rs 305 crores are sanctioned to the street vendors directly in their bank accounts. Rest of the loans are in process of sanction. The entire process of special credit to the street vendors is carried through online web and mobile-based applications and is cashless, contactless and paperless as per Digital India guidelines. The Telangana state stood second in the country in terms of number of street vendors registered, loan applications processed, and loans sanctioned. However, in terms of the total number of urban population in the states, Telangana is much ahead in the country in terms of loan registration, application processing, and sanctions. This unique innovative e-governance solution in response to pandemic of COVID-19 has not only ensured the efficiency and transparency in the system, but has also restored the faith and trust of the poor street vendors in the Telangana government.
Considering the COVID situation and also as per the scheme launched by Government of India, the street vendors development and access to the credit to them under PM Swanidhi program, we actually developed the mobile app for which CCG has helped us. Because of the mobile app and the web-based application given to us, we could actually enroll all the street vendors. Prior to this web application, we have only some 88,000. Now we increased to 600% of the street vendors. Now almost we actually enrolled 6 lakh street vendors. Not only that, and this has helped us to upload the loan applications and also taking sanctions and disbursement. This tool given, especially the IT tool, that is the mobile app and also web application, helped the street vendors. That too, considering the COVID situation, so far we could give about 300 crores as a loan to the street vendors, and we are going to give another some 400 crores utilizing this IT-based application, that is the mobile app and also the web-based application. And also PM Swanidhi portal, both are now almost integrated, which helped us to reach the poor, to street vendors.